Hello and welcome to Plant-Based Wellness. Today we're going to be taking a look at the role of vitamin D and exercise on natural killer cells and its effects on immunity. The focus of today's video is mainly on this 2021 article published in the scientific journal Frontiers in Immunology. The researchers considered some specific lifestyle factors, such as vitamin D and exercise, and how they could affect natural killer cell activity in our bodies. Natural killer cells, also known as NK cells, are white blood cells that destroy infected cells and cancer cells in our bodies. NK cells are important fighters in our immune system that protects us from harmful invaders like pathogens, viruses, bacteria, and parasites, and even cancer cells. NK cells are called natural killers because they can destroy potential threats without prior exposure to any particular pathogen. Natural killer cells scan other cells for markers that indicate healthy or diseased cells. If they detect signs that a cell is harmful, they release deadly chemicals into the cell to kill it. The article clearly notes how NK cells, as members of the innate immune system, are early responders of immune reactions. The researchers investigated how age, gender, vitamin D, and physical exercise were associated with immune function determined by natural killer cell activity. The article goes on to show how vitamin D plays an important role in immune health by affecting the maturation and differentiation of various immune cells. Vitamin D reduces pro-inflammatory function. The results demonstrated that vitamin D supplementation might be a good strategy in taking care of our immune health. This article, published in 2022, confirms the link between vitamin D, our immune system, and autoimmune diseases. The researchers found that people with low levels of vitamin D are associated with an increased risk of developing immune-related diseases such as psoriasis, type 1 diabetes, multiple sclerosis, and autoimmune diseases. This article, published in the journal Nutrients, confirmed that NK cells need vitamin D receptors for proper development of the immune system. It is fairly common knowledge that physical exercise enhances immune function. This study demonstrated that the lack of physical exercise was associated with the risk of very low natural killer cell activity in our bodies. Also, this study suggested that physical exercise may be even more beneficial to women. In an online article with advice on how to activate natural killer cells, the recommendations include both vitamin D and physical exercise. One study has suggested that maintaining serum levels of 30 to 40 nanograms per milliliter may be optional for NK activity. Although sun exposure can help with vitamin D production, supplementation with vitamin D3 is also a good strategy to support immune health, especially if you live in climates where you don't get a lot of sun in the winter. Adults can often supplement with 1,000 to 2,000 IU per day. However, dosage recommendations should be based on your current vitamin D status, so please make sure to consult a healthcare professional. Here is another scientific article showing how natural killer cells is stimulated by exercise. increasing within minutes of starting physical exertion. Exercise triggers the release of epinephrine, which enhances the ability of NK cells to mobilize and infiltrate cells that are actually harmful to us. With these interesting studies on natural killer cells, it then makes sense to give our bodies the best chance by making sure we have vitamin D and to exercise regularly. I hope you found the information in this video to be useful. Please subscribe to our channel, Plant Based Wellness, and give our video a like. Thank you for watching.